Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford EcoSport's engine control unit. First, locate the ECU, which is typically found under the windshield, often beneath a protective plastic cover. You will need a few basic tools like a screwdriver and socket set, but be aware that some installations may require an angle grinder to remove a security cage. Remember, replacing the physical unit is only half the job. Programming is essential. To begin the replacement, always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. Next, you'll need to clear the area around the ECU. This involves removing components such as the airbox, the intake pipe, and the battery tray. In some Ford EcoSport models, the ECU is protected by a steel security cage, which may require an angle grinder for safe removal. Once the ECU is accessible, carefully unclip all the electrical wiring harnesses connected to it. There are usually several, so take your time. After disconnecting the harnesses, remove any screws or bolts holding the old unit in place and gently take it out. Now, install your new or replacement ECU, ensuring it fits correctly, and securely reconnect all the wiring harnesses. The most crucial step is programming the new ECU. This often requires specialized software and a J2530 Ford-compatible tool to transfer your vehicle's unique VIN and calibration data. If your EcoSport has a passive anti-theft system, all vehicle keys must be reprogrammed by a specialist or dealership. Finally, perform a diagnostic scan to clear any codes and take a test drive to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.